resonance spruce. Maybe you know what we are talking about. This is the red Christmas tree, the perfect tree after 350 years that is used to build musical instruments. And we used it to create our acoustic docking station. It looks like this. This could be the soundboard or the table of a violin, but from our workshop no violins are created or manufactured. We are building guitars and loudspeakers made out of toned wood. So came the idea of building an acoustic docking station. This will not only amplify the sound, but it will create a sound which is rounder, more present, preciser, much more comfortable. So if I take my music from my iPhone, it will make this. And now if I plug it in, if I take it out, I could never have a conversation with you because it's too much in the high tones. It's not very comfortable. But once it is placed here, it's not only louder, but the sound is rounder and more comfortable. We decided to a little bit retain the high tones in order to amplify the medium tones because they bring us this roundness. It's much closer to the voice. And so it's not only louder, but it's much more comfortable. Moreover, you can hear it everywhere in the place. This is due thanks to the fact that we really opened this wood and created a hole in this shape. The length of it is 45 centimeters, which corresponds a little bit to the frequencies we want, more or less in the medium tones in the around 800 Hertz. And so you can get this acoustic docking station, which is purely acoustic and passive, in our workshop or through our distribution channels. We would be very pleased to share our passion with you for music and nature.